back to TV's Good Life. You are listening to. These guys
You're
are
gonna love
legit.
them.
They're jiggy. We appreciate them letting us play their music.
Yeah. And they're from
Dublin.
She talked to them and said, "Can we play your music?" And they said,
"Love your music. We want to play it. So thank you, Jiggy." So
yeah.
Anyway,
and it makes you want to do a jig.
Yeah, and we have it all morning, pretty much.
We have been.
Pretty much.
Good thing you can't see us. So we're in the kitchen making. What are we making today?
I don't.
Ranch chicken rice soup.
Yes.
So here's the ingredients. Actually, I had everything I think except the carrots and the celery, and it's real so easy.
This might get a little loud, so hang on.
Okay, so here's our list of ingredients. We want 3 cups of cooked chicken shredded, which I'm going to shred this morning.
Okay.
6 cups of low sodium chicken broth, which I have right here. 2 carrots, but I like lots of carrots, so we're doing more carrots.
You like carrots? No wonder you have such good eyes.
Yes, I can't, yes. Some celery, an onion, some garlic powder, some dry ranch seasoning mix, that's the secret tip to this. Some condensed cheddar cheese or cream of chicken soup, some uncooked rice, some Italian dressing. And there's bacon bits and paprika. I didn't do that. And then salt and pepper to taste. So we'll start there. Let's start there. So Ron is chopping up chopping our carrots. Remember we tried to do this with peppers and onions? I think on Monday when we were doing a recipe. Just didn't work. Cause
you want to know why?
Why?
I figured it out. Because this piece right here has a sharp side. And I always have the sharp side down. Imagine that.
And so we had it upside down.
Work
and so
smarter,
that's
not harder.
There you go. Now you can see. That's a good shot.
Yes.
Thank you, John. See, look at that. And look how easy. Remember how we were struggling on Monday?
I'm like,
going, what in the world is this?
But look how quick and easy that is.
Yes.
Look at that. Okay, so do I need to put this into?
Yes,
okay.
Please go ahead, because we're going to saute our vegetables. Ooh, sizzle, sizzle.
And in the cooking world, it's called the mirepoix.
How do you know that?
I think it's
French.
Every recipe. Do I need to do this to this?
Yes, please.
Okay, thanks.
Chopping up the celery. Whoops, excuse me. And I'll get the onion.
So do you put Cheese Whiz in your celery, or do you put?
Do I put what in my celery?
Do you use Cheese Whiz in your celery when you just want celery to eat? Do you just not want celery to eat?
I eat celery just plain.
Oh.
And I learned something yesterday, friends.
Uh-oh. Everybody?
It's the celery, what's it called? Celery log?
Ants on a log.
Ants on a log.
Ants on a log?
Never heard of it till yesterday.
You want to tell everybody what it, everybody knows probably what it is.
It's celery, and then you put peanut butter on it, and then you put raisins on it, or chocolate chips.
Yeah.
And it looks
if you
like
put chocolate chips on it, let us know. The chocolate chips is interesting, thank you. Was that Gina?
Yeah, she put the chocolate chips on it because she doesn't like raisins. Oh, this is going to be good.
Well, yeah. Just eat it like that. Put a little salt and pepper on it, Carol.
Well, yeah, a little sauteed carrots. Oh, one more piece of celery. Oh, look at all this. This is going to be a lot more. This is a lot more than what the directions say.
I hope
but
you
I
guys
like vegetables. This is a chicken.
What is this called?
Ranch chicken rice soup.
Ooh. And I love the Le Creuset pot.
Yes.
Okay.
And look at it's very colorful.
And I'm going to put the onion in that size.
Yes, she's going to do some onion. And while she's doing that, I'm going to try to shred my chicken. I had it cooking overnight just on warm. I probably should have done it on low because I like my chicken really shredded.
And you just parboil your chicken, don't you?
Well, this was in the crock pot all night last night.
Ooh, look at you.
Otherwise, you could, I just put my chicken and boil it, and it's really easy to shred.
Ooh.
So.
And this was the other half of the onion we used the other day.
Yes, it was. Oh, and look at that. Those are perfect size. That's a perfect size.
Well, I think it cooks better when they're all, well, the carrots need to cook longer anyway, so it's a good thing we did that first.
But you know what you could add to that, which would be good to help those get going?
Okay.
We're going to do 6 cups of the chicken broth. So there's my 1 cup thing.
Okay, so there should be like, I think.
Or 8 cups in this.
Well, there's 8 ounces to a cup. So there's 30, so there's like 4, there should be 4 cups in there, right?
Okay, so we'll do.
Am I right?
That whole, yes.
I'm going to
we'll do that in two of the.
But let's take a quick break, and we're going to finish this wonderful recipe, this ranch chicken rice soup recipe up with Carol when we come back. Enjoy listening to a little Jiggy. Welcome back to NTV's Good Life. Again, you are listening to Jiggy. Thank you very much,
Yes.
Jiggy, for letting us play your music today. And thank you, Carol, for sharing this great recipe.
Easy
I'm
peasy.
just giving this a saute. And to this, carrots, celery, and onion. You're shredding the chicken. And
Yep.
to this, I add, should I be adding
6
my...
cups. Go ahead and add your 6 cups of low sodium
Wow,
chicken broth.
this might kind of go over.
And if it goes over, you know, it's just soup. So that just means we'll have
Well,
more
I'm
soup.
to spill over. It might be
yeah.
messy.
Oh, I know. Oh, you mean in the pot? You think?
Why?
No, well, we're good.
Okay, I
Us
trust.
messy?
Well,
Never. Us mess up a recipe? Never.
would we
Never
ever
in
think
your
about
wildest dreams.
Okay,
That's
so
why we do
you
live
said
TV.
6?
6 cups.
Okay.
So there. Oh yeah, definitely. Oh, you know, we could probably.
Well, by the
put-
time you add everything, well, okay, well,
Yeah.
we'll see if this is the lucky pot of gold at the end of the rainbow.
Top of the morning to you, O'Neill.
Oh my
Where our
gosh.
Irish friends are.
You know,
this morning.
next
gotta
year
go
we're going to
out
go to
there.
O'Neill. We're going to just go because I grew up just north of O'Neill,
That would be fun.
and that's yeah, it's a
Because I'm sure they have a lot of traditions there that they do on St. Patrick's Day.
yes. I mean the
And-
shamrock in the middle of the
I know
street
it, right?
parade.
Yeah. So what I'm doing over here is just shredding up the chicken.
Yeah, I was going to say, what are you doing?
I had it in the crock pot last night, and I'm
Besides
just.
dancing.
I know that music just makes you want to.
How do you not dance?
Oh, perfect.
Okay, so then I
Oh,
add.
that looks good.
It does. A little pot
Okay.
of gold.
Yes. Now
Okay.
you're going to add your 1 can of cream of chicken.
And you got with herbs?
With herbs, of course. Herbs. Gonna add a little flavor there. And then also, I don't want to forget, I did bring 2 cups of uncooked rice.
Okay.
And so I'm going to turn this up a little bit. And so you can let this simmer all day long on low on the stove because you want your vegetables to kind of get, you know, you don't want them real crunchy, you know,
Well,
for your
no.
soup. So can you imagine just letting this sit all day on the
You
stove?
don't want to be
That's
caught
gonna-
off guard. Okay,
that's gonna
so
smell
then
really,
to
really, really
this,
good.
do I just keep adding what you tell me to?
Yes, now we're going to add a packet of
Ranch.
ranch seasoning. We're going to smush up our.
I'm letting.
gonna smush it up?
Well, I'm going to. Just
Okay.
thank you for
Ooh.
playing.
Do I have the right thing on? Yes, I do. Yes.
Boy, yes, I checked.
Okay.
Because I do that all the time.
I'm like, did I have the right burner?
I have a
on?
gas oven, so I kind of
Oop,
I have a
there goes-
gas oven, so I know what burner's on.
Yes. Okay, you
okay.
would know. Let's hope.
Yes,
So
okay.
1 whole package of the ranch seasoning. That's the real secret to this. I think that's going to add a lot of flavor.
Okay.
And then we're just going to let that stir in, and then I'm almost done with my chicken. But before,
Wow.
oh, yummy.
It just smells like every kitchen should.
Yes. Delicioso. I'll let you take that. Can you get that off for me? Oh, wait.
Don't. Ooh, you got pretty nails. Maybe I
Well,
should.
no, they're, well, here. Should I try it with the knife?
Ooh, no. Carol.
This
Okay,
is a
be
really
careful.
sharp knife that I got. Oh,
And
there. Is that our
how did you find
directions?
that out, Carol?
I can't say. So now I'm going to add some Italian seasoning.
Some or the whole thing?
Just you want to add like I think a tablespoon or
Ooh,
so.
That is
That's yeah.
Carol.
And then see, there's all your ingredients and things that you know you're going to want for this. Seriously, I had everything except the celery and the carrots. And then you also want to add some garlic powder. Get that there, like a teaspoon of garlic powder, and then also to this
teaspoon of garlic
Ooh,
powder.
that looks really good.
It
Doesn't
smells like what is that wedding? That wedding soup? What's it called?
Wedding soup?
Oh,
I've never
everybody
heard of
knows what I'm
wedding soup.
talking about. Italian wedding. Yes,
Huh?
Carol. Yes.
Man, I'm learning a lot.
But
I'm learning
it's
about
it
ants in a
almost kind-
log and wedding soup. And there was one other thing yesterday that you guys did that I was like, I've never heard of that. So to this, we will also add.
Do you want me to get that for you because that Band-Aid's so big?
Well, and the Band-Aid will be, okay, 2 cups.
Now this
of
is going to
rice.
absorb a lot of this, so you may want to add this later.
Yes.
Yeah. Well, a little more. That's a good idea.
Yeah.
Ooh. And what are you going to serve this with?
I don't know, just this alone, probably with bread.
I've been doing that.
That
I've
would
been
be good,
making
like crusty bread.
yes, well, kind of like garlic toast, cheesy
Yes.
garlic toast, because you can put it in the air fryer. Mm-hmm. Oh,
And then there's your shredded chicken.
oh, Carol.
Yes, right? Look at that.
James, you are one lucky man, my friend.
Yes. And this is
so
just
many
gonna
reasons.
Simmer.
Wonderful recipe, and we're going to share this recipe as we always do.
Yes.
on our website, nebraska.tv.
Look at, and that's what's for dinner tonight.